Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rana Muhammad Kashif and you are watching my YouTube channel Positive People Commission. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you a very simple way in how to multiply two cells in Microsoft Excel or how to conduct multiplication in Microsoft Excel. Here is an example where I want to calculate a total cost of certain items. I have two columns on this, value per kg of an item and quantity purchased of an item respectively. So what I will do, I want to calculate the total cost. So what will be the formula of total cost? Total cost will be equal to value per kg multiplied by quantity purchased. So how to calculate that total cost? Equal to value per kg, and we need to input the multiplication symbol, which is asterisk in this case, multiplied by quantity purchased. That's it. We have the total cost of item A. How to calculate the cost of the remaining items from B to F? What we will do, we will just put the cursor here, fill handle, and drag it till the item F. There you have it. We have total cost for all items from A to F. I hope so you have learned this, a very simple way in how to calculate the total cost or how to multiply two cells in Microsoft Excel. In the second part of this video, we will learn how to divide two numbers in Excel. Here is an example. Here we want to calculate value per kg. What we have the total cost of an item and the quantity purchased. So how we will calculate value per kg? What will be the formula for value per kg? Value per kg will be equal to total cost divided by quantity purchased. So let's see how we can do it in Excel. Equal to total cost and divided by quantity purchased. There we have it. We have the value per kg of an item. And how we will calculate the value per kg of the remaining items? Just we will have to do, bring the cursor here and drag it down. We will have the value per kg for all items. That was easy. In this part of the video, we will learn how to add numbers in Microsoft Excel. A very simple function in Excel. What we will do, if we want to add up the quantity purchased of all the items, what we will have to do? We can do it in two ways. The first one is equal to select this number and plus this number, last item. We have it. Total quantity purchased of all items is 12.5 kgs. And what's the other way? The other way is to use the sum function, SUM, and we will just have to select this range. It's easier than the first method. I hope you have liked it. And how we can calculate all the sums in the columns? We will just have to drag it. We can have sum of all the columns by just dragging the cells. In this final and last part of the video, we will learn how to subtract two numbers in Microsoft Excel. For that, I have an example right here where I want to calculate the saving. I have the total cost, I have the budget column, and I want to calculate the saving. So what is the formula for saving? Formula for saving will be budget minus total cost. So let's calculate it. Budget minus total cost. There we have it. We have this saving column, just drag it. We will have the difference of two numbers, or we can subtract the two numbers in this way. So that was pretty simple. I hope you have liked the video and you have learned the four very basic computations in Microsoft Excel. I hope you have liked the video, and if you are new here, please do subscribe the channel to stay tuned for more such informative videos. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.